Asia.
And I'm Amaya.
And we're back again with another video. So guys, right here we have Jajangmyeon, aka
black bean noodles.
We have some rice cakes.
And we have some dumplings and some
kimchi.
And
we wanted to be special and add the sauce on camera. So we're gonna be adding the black bean noodle sauce and the rice cake sauce on it. And we have a special guest, our mom.
She's behind the camera.
So let's add the sauce.
Right.
So we're gonna be pouring the noodles for the rice cakes in now.
Oh, it looks hot. It looks like ketchup.
Alright guys, so we mixed all of the rice cake in with the sauce in with the rice cake.
Good.
Now we're gonna be mixing in with the noodles. The sauce in with the noodles.
Hope it doesn't smell on me this time. You do it for me.
I don't want to get that.
Guys, I'm gonna let my mom do it for me because I don't want to get it on me again. So my mom is doing it for me.
Oh, the vegetable, you gotta open it better.
You have to open it all the way.
And this is our first time trying the rice cake and the black bean noodles. So look at all of the vegetables in it.
That's why I let my mom do it.
The sauce tastes like
it's some type of meat in there.
It is meat. It's beef.
That's good. I tasted the sauce.
It tastes like a chicken soup, like when you're sick and.
Guys, the sauce was on my finger.
Mommy gonna mix this up because this is too
hard.
No, messy.
Yeah.
Oh guys, look at that. Oh, it's gonna waste. It's gonna waste more.
It's okay.
That's how messy it is, guys. That's why I let my mom do it.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna let it waste.
Excited, guys. I don't know why they call it. Why they make it black? I think it's the type of paste they use in it.
Oh,
that
no,
paste.
that they call it black. It's black because it calls black bean noodles.
But it don't have beans in it.
Oh.
How do you know? How do you know?
I know.
Okay, you don't know that.
You didn't try it before.
You have to look it up before you just start talking like you know.
Mom, you have to get over here, sorry.
Okay.
So guys, my mom is done stirring and mixing all of the sauce inside of the black bean noodle. So now it's time to get started to eat. I'm gonna get some kimchi.
Good. I'm gonna get the soup.
Maya, show them the soup, how it look.
The noodles look so good. Ooh.
Let me see.
I can't get this soup.
Have a taste, Paul. Oh my God. Maya, move your chopsticks.
Look.
Yeah, it's so saucy. I'm gonna taste it. Everybody always eating it.
I didn't try it yet, guys.
It tastes like black beans. Well, not black beans. It tastes like they have a bean.
It tastes like some type. It tastes like beef.
Mmm.
Your rice cakes are good.
Mhm. Mm.
Oh.
And we got orange juice here. gonna be eating a dumpling. Oh, we forgot the soy sauce, Mom. It's alright. Here's the tofu vegetable dumplings.
Yeah.
So what's your guys' plans for this weekend? You guys doing something with Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're going to the party tomorrow.
To a party?
Yep.
And too bad I can't go.
Because
We're going to 2 parties. But that's the tofu. Tofu actually tastes good when it's vegetable. It has veggies in it. That's how it tastes good.
there's beef inside, definitely. I'm gonna try our dumplings. Give me later. Poke it.
Rice tastes like that.
Look, some dumplings.
They're good. I thought the black beans was gonna taste kind of different. Like I didn't think it was gonna taste like.
When I saw one of the videos, I heard that it was sweet, but I thought it was going to be a little bit more spicy.
I can't get this thing.
Poke it, poke it, poke it, poke it.
Oh, that's better.
And I learned a good way to eat noodles. You just stir it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and it comes. You pick it right up.
Guys, these black bean noodles is so saucy, and I thought it would be like blacker than this. It's kind of brownish color.
So how you guys like Korean food? You want to keep trying more, or do you want to?
I want to try squid.
No, I want to try octopus. Not squid.
It's the same thing, right?
Is it squid like baby octopus?
Yeah.
I want to try the adult one.
Ew.
It's
Guys,
good.
kimchi is good.
Y'all want more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's too slippery.
Ooh.
I want more kimchi.
Okay.
I can't close my
We don't be adding that much because we don't think we're going to be eating it.
guys.
But
Poke it. So slippery.
I can't even bite it.
Guys, these are so. It's so chewy and good.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
The rice pieces.
What's wrong?
Oh, that's really sour.
What? Why you got so much of it, Mama?
It's going to taste sour.
You can't eat that much.
Oh, it's cold and the sour tastes nasty like that.
It tastes nasty with too much?
Yeah, you gotta eat little bites at a time. We can't just eat it. And then it's cold.
All right. This is
This
gonna
dude
be.
don't want to get on my bowl.
This is gonna be the sourest.
I want to do more noodle mukbangs. I want to do a spicy one.
You already did it 2 times, right?
Mhm. But they have different ones. This tastes like chicken noodle soup, kinda like beef noodle soup.
Are you okay?
You acting like it's spicy. Let me get some more kimchi. I
Sour.
thought about it.
So sour. I can't eat.
A lot of people think kimchi is nasty.
You want to get your fork? I always wanted to try the rice cake because it looks so good.
It is good, right, Lele?
Did I make this dish good, guys?
Yeah.
For it to be my first time.
And she did it really, really good.
Flavorful, right?
Mhm. Oh, I need to get my bowl.
Okay.
This is how much I could get.
That's good. That's how you roll it.
No, I want a lot so I can put it in my bowl.
I want to be doing, because they be doing big bites and stuff. I want to try it. Maya, okay, you're going to take the whole bowl. Alright, let me get.
Look at it. Everybody say that.
My head. I want to try it. I don't know how I'm finna grab both of them though. We should have got forks just in case.
But if you're gonna eat like a Korean, guess what?
We gotta. Alright, you ready? That is so disgusting.
It's not. It tastes good.
Well, I prefer to eat both of them separate. Like, they both good, but like,
Not together.
yeah. It's probably because of my taste buds. I'm pretty sure other people will like it. My taste buds are weird.
You didn't like it?
Yeah, it look like I have beef in it, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even see the vegetable. That's beef. Oh.
Maybe it's beans. Maybe it's the beans. Just tastes like meat.
It said on the box that it would have,
Alright. Oh, I need this. Oh, I still have more,
this is meat. It's beef.
No, it could be. You gotta look it up. I don't know. It could actually be beans.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
I can't get it.
I feel like the bottom
I
of
could
the
use chopsticks for sushi. Really good.
Me too.
Not perfect, but better than what I'm doing now. But I'm learning. I think I'm doing okay.
I'm learning how to use chopsticks too. Let me see if this is before.
Mommy, I feel like
I like them.
the kimchi at the bottom of the thing is more
It's-
more sour.
Mommy, there's it's,
Yeah, but it's still nice.
Mommy, the taste.
I actually like eating Korean food. I feel like I put some shrimps with this.
It would be.
But I prefer the noodles and the stuff better because this it's not really sour. It's not really spicy, and it's a lot of sweet. Like they said, it was sweet and spicy. It's not. It's only sweet, and it's like overpowering with sweetness. So I would prefer to make the black bean noodles from scratch, like just buying the actual the rice cakes from scratch, just buying it plain without no
With the
sauce.
chili
or anything.
paste?
Yeah, we could make it our own sauce, like how the other Koreans do it and stuff. But
I'm gonna eat.
Do you think you're like the big rice?
yeah, and the cheesy ones. They have cheesy ones.
I just ate one dumpling. This is
You
my
like the
second.
dumpling, Maya?
Yeah.
Are you full?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not.
This gets you full.
Yes. You know I don't eat a lot. You can't see how so many people eat all like 3 bags.
Only in one person. We 3 people. This is only two bags, and we barely could finish it. This is like we didn't even eat one bag yet. We ate like half of a bag.
I think I'll let Daddy try some of this.
He is not finna try it.
You know?
He's not about to try it. If you guys watched my last video that we just now posted, you would know our dad is really picky.
And he doesn't like to try new foods.
But I'm gonna let him try it.
Mm-hmm.
He said he'll try it if we try it.
And we tried.
So guys, at the Korean store in the market, as you guys seen in the vlog, I showed you the mochi ice cream, and I didn't want to get one flavor. I wanted to get 3, so I had got 3 flavors. They have green tea, vanilla. No, they have 4 flavors actually. They have green tea, vanilla, strawberry, and phrase red bean. I don't know what that one is, and I want to try green tea because I never tried green tea.
I
So
want
let's
to
open
try. I want vanilla.
No, we're both gonna all eat it. Like, we're gonna break it in pieces. Mommy, you excited? How are we supposed to know if, like, this one? Because you said it's white. I guess. Alright. So these are ice creams, actually.
So
They have purple. I'm not sure which kind. I'm pretty sure this is green tea, vanilla, strawberry, and
red bean.
Yeah.
So
Let's try the.
strawberry.
You want to try with us, Mom?
You want to get your knife?
No.
No. You
It's
can buy.
great.
Yeah.
It's cold.
It's dough, guys. It's dough, and then there's ice cream in there. And it actually tastes like, I think it tastes like, look at it, guys. It's really soft. Ooh.
Ooh. I want this one.
Let's taste it.
Alright.
Let me taste a piece.
1, 2, 3. Mmm.
It's good.
The dough,
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like candy.
Oh, that's good.
mm,
It tastes like a yogurt.
I could,
It have like a nice creamy yogurt taste.
I like the dough.
Strawberry.
The dough tastes like candy.
How much is that? I think it's about $4.
yeah, $4.99.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
All right, try the green tea. I can't wait. I want to try the green tea. How you think the green tea is gonna taste?
Like green tea.
I don't think I've tasted green tea
Let
before.
me try a piece. Break it, and show it.
Ooh, why is this so
green? Ooh.
Look at that grass. Here, Maya. Here, Maya, get a piece of mine. Mine's too big.
Alright.
Look, guys.
Ew, it smells.
It tastes like wheat.
It tastes like green
Grass.
tea, like actual green. I'm thirsty, so y'all don't really taste it.
It tastes like grass. It tastes like wheat. Like wheat.
It tastes like green
But they
tea.
have a nice sweet taste and like sugar is with it.
Mm-mm. Look here. That tastes like doo-doo.
Don't say that.
Sorry.
I want to try this one
It
out.
tastes like grass. It doesn't taste like wheat.
Tastes like
It
grass.
tastes healthy.
Yeah, it tastes
But
like.
wait.
Exactly.
With sweet
It
in it.
tastes like.
All right, you ready? This
What
one
one is
is
that
the
The bean.
no, yeah, I think it's the bean one. Braised red bean. The red bean. What they mean by red bean? It's purple.
It's probably gonna be red inside or purple inside.
Let's see.
So you said red or purple?
Purple.
Oh, right.
Oh, white.
Oh wow! And like it's beans in it. Here, Maya. Here, Mom. I don't like nuts or like
Dada, what is that on your hand?
probably the noodle. I don't really taste it. I don't taste anything. I taste like vanilla with crunchy stuff.
The It just tastes like chocolate chip and vanilla.
I don't taste anything.
The dough doesn't taste like nothing.
Like,
Why your face like that, Mommy?
I don't know.
the dough tastes like slime. Like, no, it don't taste like slime, but it like squishy like slime. I can see why Korean people actually exist though. Instead of going to Baskin Robbins, they go in their freezer and eat this.
My hand is
It's good, guys.
cold. I'm gonna finish this, but my hands are cold.
Alright, let's try vanilla.
Wait.
They should have had chocolate in it. Alright, let's try vanilla. Vanilla probably gonna melt it in. I got a cold, guys, so this chocolate, this ice cream isn't gonna make it any better. Alright, guys, look at it. At first, I didn't think mochi was an ice cream. It melted, so it's like. At first, guys, I didn't think mochi was an ice cream. Like, I thought it was something else, but then.
I want that one.
Here more. Stretchy. It tastes like vanilla.
Out of all, I like strawberry.
Out of all, I like
The first one. I like the first one.
I like all of them except for the green tea because that tastes healthy.
I like the first one too. And I like the purple one. And I like the vanilla. I like all of them except for the green tea.
I actually like Korean dessert and dish.
We need to try Korean breakfasts. Like, they got breakfast. You don't like it? It's too squishy?
It's too cold in my hand.
Alright, guys. So,
That's it for today's vlog.
No, that's it for today's video. If you like, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos.